Welcome to Suno Safar, where silence tells stories and nature breathes life into every frame. Today, we take you into the wild where a man builds a home not on the ground but above it. High above the forest floor, hidden from the noise of the world, this is a journey of solitude, creativity, and survival. Subscribe to Suno Safar and join us on every silent step. He enters the forest quietly, no words, no tools, just a vision in his mind. The ground here is soft, damp, and wild, but he chooses to rise above it. Why build on the ground when the earth can be dangerous? Dampness, insects, and wild animals. So he picks a spot between the trees 2 feet above the ground, and begins with nothing but his bare hands and a plan known only to him. Each log he cuts, he carries like a story from one part of the forest to another. He lays the first beams gently, blocking them with vines. No nails, no machines. Nature becomes his workshop, the sound of birds his bacalogram round music. One by one, the pillars rise, strong, balanced, beautiful. Soon, a floor appears, floating mid-air, stable, silent, strong. As night approaches, he hurries. He cuts bamboo, dry wood, and branches, shapes them with nothing but a blade and patience. The walls are weaved, the roof layered with leaves, not just to cover, but to breathe, letting the wind pass, letting the moonlight fall. This isn't just a shelter, it's a dream made real, plank by plank, breath by breath. As darkness falls, the jungle changes. Eyes blink in the distance. Owls echo far, leaves crackle nearby, but he doesn't panic. Inside his elevated home, he lights a small fire, safe and still. The fire glows, the wind hums, the forest sleeps almost. He lies back, looking at the roof he built and the sky he can still see through it. Hunger speaks softly now. He gathers simple herbs and items from the forest floor. With a quiet rhythm, he cuts, peels, and prepares. A small pan, a few flames, and the scent of survival rises. He eats not with greed, but with gratitude. Every bite is a celebration of effort, of silence, of nature. This isn't just a shelter in the wild. This is peace, a moment away from everything loud. Here, every drop of sweet builds something meaningful. Here, the forest accepts you if you respect it. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Suno Safar, and join us again as we walk deeper into the wilderness, one silent story at a time.